Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a wiring for a basic radio installation, whether it's a single or double DIN. You're gonna just upgrade your radio and you're just doing the basic. So all you're gonna need to do is your power wires and your speaker wires, and that's pretty much it. There will be one basic tool you'll need, as well as an adapter harness, and I'll show you what that looks like. Now, the one tool you will need is going to be something like this. It may not look exactly like this, but something similar. So this tool here will cut, crimp, and strip your wires. So I got this one quite a while ago, and it's actually come in handy quite a bit. We'll need an adapter harness. This harness here is going to be vehicle specific, so definitely get the one that you need for your vehicle. So the way this one works is this will connect to the factory harness. Then you're going to take the new radio harness and connect wire by wire to the adapter harness. So in the end, you'll be color matching to look like this. That goes to the factory harness. This goes to the new radio, and that's it. When you get yourself the adapter harness, get yourself a kit that will include these butt connectors. The reason you want to do that is going to be how you're going to be connecting the wires from each harness. Now, the way these butt connectors work is you're going to be stripping back each wire, and I'll show you what each one does. So you're going to strip it back. You're going to take the butt connector here. Make sure you can see there's metal inside of it. So you're going to take one side from one of the harnesses. You're going to insert that. You're going to take the other harness with the same color wire on the opposite end. You're going to insert that on the other end. And once you have done that, you're going to crimp with the crimping tool. So that one will be this one here. And you're going to crimp each side so that it looks something like this. Now, you usually do a crimp per side, not in the middle. I do one per side to make sure that it stays in place. And that's how you connect all your wires. So wiring looks like this. So you're going to have your main power wires are going to be 4 of them. So you're going to have your yellow, which is your 12-volt constant. You have your black, which is your ground. You got your red, which is your switched 12-volt. And you have an illumination wire. That's going to be your orange, and sometimes it has a stripe on it, whether black or white. So what this one does is when you turn on your headlights or your park lights, it dims your radio, so it's not overly bright at night. 12-volt switched, meaning when you turn your car on, it's going to send power to your radio to tell it to turn on or off. Constant 12-volt, it just means it keeps memory and all your settings within the radio. And of course, black is your ground. So the basic installation means all you're going to be doing is speakers, so nothing else. So you have all your speaker wires here, and they're color coded. So you got grays, you got purples, you got green, and you have whites. Now each one it has a positive and a negative, so pay attention to that. Use the white for example. There's a solid white, that's your positive, and the white with the black stripe, that's your negative. It's the same thing for all of them. You got your solid green, green with a black stripe, same with your purples and your grays. And so taking the adapter harness, you're going to color match each wire to the new radio harness. So you're going to go yellow to yellow, red to red, black to black, and all those wires here. And again, same thing with your speakers, paying attention that you're going solid to solid and stripe to stripe for your positive and negative. And that's what you're going to do. So in the end, you're going to be having the harness that looks like this, right? So you're going to connect it to the factory connector here, and that goes to your new radio, and that's all you need to do. And that's how you do a basic radio wiring on it. Now again, make sure you get yourself an adapter harness that works for a vehicle. Get a kit that has these butt connectors. Get yourself a basic tool like this, and this will be fairly inexpensive, and that's all you need. And that's it. That's simple as it gets to do a basic radio harness. Any questions, comments, let me know. Thanks for watching.